I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Inglink, and in today's video I'll be discussing about some tips that will help you to understand any poem. So let's quickly start with the very first point that says read the poem in full and aloud. So whenever you are starting any poem, the very first thing that you should do is to read the poem in full. Start from the very first line and go till the end. You should not skip any line. At times what we do is we read the first two lines and then we skip the next three and then we jump onto the last one in order to understand it quickly. But you should not do this. When you will read it fully, then only you will be able to understand it closely, right? And one more advice I will give here is to read the poem at least 3 times. When you will do this, then only you will be able to understand the line patterns, the rhyming scheme and the word order. Okay. Now the next point is to make notes about the poem. So before starting, please always be ready with a pencil or a pen so that whenever you are reading the poem, you should be able to make the notes. Like suppose if you see any important figurative speech or you find that there is any verb or any word that's very important, or you might also see any word that you're not able to understand the meaning of, so that you can circle it there and later on you can find out the meaning to understand the poem well. So it's very important to make the notes, and it will become very easy for you if you're going to do it there only. Suppose if you find any simile, just write down this is the simile, circle that with the pencil and write simile there, or metaphor, or any other important word that you find, and if it has any strong meaning. The third point is to consider the title. You should always start with the title of the poem. Suppose I'll give you an example, like if you're reading about daffodils. So when you see the title daffodils, so you very well understand that this poem is basically about the beautiful flowers daffodils. So don't skip the title, read the title, and when you will read it, you will be able to understand the purpose of writing the poem, and you will be able to understand the poem in detail. So don't skip the title, and it will definitely help you in analyzing the poem. And the last point is matter matters. So here I'll only suggest you, whenever you are reading the poem, there are a lot of steps that help you in analyzing the poem that I'm going to share with you. But here, suppose you are not able to understand what the poet is trying to convey through the poem, then you won't be able to understand the real purpose. You will have to understand how the poet plays with the language, like through the use of metaphors, similes and figurative speech, right? So you will have to study the content of the poem very well. You will have to go through that very properly, learn what is written by the poet, and try to gather some information, like if it is having any historical importance or anything like that, just try to gather that information also. And the next steps will be you'll also need to know who the narrator is, then you will have to do the paraphrasing also. So these steps will be there when you will analyze any poem. Here I'll just tell you that whenever you are reading the poem, go through the matter very properly. And in my next video I'll be sharing about how to analyze the poem. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel Inglink. Thank you for watching.